Swiss Experiment itself is a project that is a collaboration between Microsoft Research and EPFL, the Swiss University in Lausanne in Switzerland, together with a number of research organizations in Switzerland, that is working on a project to instrument the mountains with weather stations, so that scientists can understand better what's happening in the weather conditions of the Swiss Alps. Microsoft Research is about developing partnerships with academia in various areas of research.
I think the really exciting aspects of this Swiss Experiment project is it allows us, the Microsoft Research, to apply some of the technologies that we have developed within the context of sensor networks and the sensor data processing, together with the technology produced by our Swiss Experiment partners, such as the EPFL team, to address a very complex and a very interesting environmental problem.
Mountains are actually a really important part of the climate. So 50% of the population around the world is really served with their fresh water from the mountainous regions. We really need to understand in detail what's happening in those climates, in the mountains, to really help understand the entirety of the global climate change problem.
Technologies such as SenseWeb and SensorMap, just like social networks, that allows scientists to be able to contribute the data, to share the sensor data among colleagues, to be able to analyze and communicate the results of their analysis.
So scientists today have powerful statistical and analysis tools, but they can only process limited amounts of data. What we can do with SensorMap is provide a tool which gives them a way to browse a large amount of data in a short amount of time.
What I really like to see is a couple of years from now, scientists using our technology, they have been developing to support the kind of scientific investigations that was never possible before. Microsoft Research's technology, SenseWeb, that allows users to actually look at the data and be able to lay over these spatial temporal variation of the data directly on a 3D terrain map. The hope is that the scientists, hydrologists, can actually have a much better understanding about the changes in the environment and correlate that with other factors.
The coolest part of this project for me is the international collaboration and combination of computer science with scientists, working together to solve problems that affect everybody potentially around the world.